Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tor browser security settings for safer browsing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, download the Tor browser from the official website. Install the Tor browser by following the provided instructions. Open the Tor browser once the installation is complete. Upon first launch, you will see the option to connect to the Tor network. Click the Connect button to establish a secure connection. After connecting, access the Tor browser settings by clicking on the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will see various security options available for customization. Firstly, adjust the security level slider to your desired security level. For maximum security, choose the safest setting. Next, scroll down to the HTTPS only mode section. Enable always to ensure all your connections are secure. Then, proceed to the No Script section to manage script permissions. You can choose to block scripts on all sites for enhanced protection. Next, ensure that WebRTC is disabled. This feature can potentially expose your real IP address. Continue by looking for the Tor button settings. Ensure that Use a New Identity is easily accessible for quick sessions. Now, head to the Advanced tab within Preferences. Check the box for Disable Caching to prevent unwanted data storage. You can set this up in the Clear Data section. Finally, consider using a VPN alongside the Tor browser for extra anonymity. Review all settings to confirm they align with your security preferences. Close the Preferences menu and start browsing securely with the Tor browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.